So Bart, very nice to meet you here at Talk Europe. You've been a member of the Terminal Industry Committee 4.0 for about 2 years, if I remember well. So what is actually the link between ICT and the world of container terminals?
Well, that's quite easy. We are, since the 90s, the early 90s, are we involved and play an important role for the automation efforts that we do for ECT.
Yeah.
It's now part of the Hutchinson Portal.
Yes, yes.
In the past years, we expanded that activities with other systems, also with mobile applications, with data science solutions. And from that, from ECT, we became also familiar with other customers like REG, APMT, but also in Antwerp with PSA. We do a lot of software integration, and we are faced with all kinds of interfaces with equipment, but also with other systems, terminal operating systems or planning systems or whatever. But all system or equipment has its own interface.
Yes.
And that takes a lot of time to integrate with all kinds of risks, etc.
As you say, it is every project otherwise is a custom designed project.
Yeah.
And with standards, you can copy and paste implementations, and it becomes much faster, less risky, and more effective.
And it gives also the opportunity for companies that do not have the luxury of great investments or whatever.
Yeah.
When you use standardization, then the investment level is much less.
Yes.
And the risks are much less.
Yeah.
So the easier it is to do that step.
How important do you think that the work of TIC is to you as a member, and in actually moving, the conversation forward in terms of fourth industrial revolution implementation in ports?
Now, what we also see, for instance, we do that right now already for PSA in Antwerp, is that standardization helps to get data collected in a standard way. When you are able on the standard interfaces to collect data from different kind of equipment, different kind of systems, you can rather easily, you can analyze the data. You can seek for the weaknesses in the terminal operation. Mm-hmm. And when you see those weaknesses, you can come with proposals, with improvements to the terminal, in which the terminal is able to reduce their costs, to speed up their productivity in a sense that they increase their moves per hour, for instance. If you all talk the same language, then it's also easily to understand what data means.
I'm glad you say that, because we actually are going to push for a slogan, which is to say, we talk TIC.
Exactly.
Well, okay, well, it's very exciting. Tell me also to conclude, so why are you at TOC, and what is the value you see of being at TOC?
We have our own solution, our smart ECS solution. That's also based on the TIC standardization, in which we have a unified platform to integrate all kinds of equipment and systems.
Okay.
And that's what we want to demonstrate. That's what you can see here. In combination also with the digital twin.
Yes.
So we can also make things visible for the terminals. And hopefully a lot of people are interested and come to us for future support.
Excellent. A pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for answering my questions. Thank you.